Welcome to an unabridged guide to making the best cookies and cream ice cream achievable by mankind. To create the best cookies and cream ice cream, we must first ask a seemingly simple question. What is cookies and cream ice cream? Using high-tech recreation software, we can hopefully answer and demonstrate our strategy going forward. In its purest form, it is vanilla ice cream in combination with Oreos. However, cookies and cream ice cream exists from the store. The more astute of my viewership may see where I am going with this. What if this pre-made cookies and cream ice cream was combined with Oreos to make what would appropriately be called cookies and cream ice cream squared? But my dear viewer, I must admit, I have not been wholly truthful with you. Or rather, I have withheld a crucial piece of information. Perhaps the keystone that holds together the entire arch that supports the creation of cookies and cream ice cream's final form. Exposing this secret ingredient requires us to go back into the distant past, 2017. Oreos introduces a limited run of cookies and cream flavored Oreos.
I baked you a pie.
Oh boy, what flavor?
Pie flavor.
As absurd as it may sound, this could be the golden fleece to our Jason, the assembly line to our Model T, the very ingredient we need to achieve our goal. Fortunately, here on Incognito, we do not deal with the hypothetical. I have sourced original 2017 cookies and cream Oreos, and by combining them with pre-made cookies and cream ice cream, we will create what will be, by my calculations, cookies and cream ice cream cubed, aka the best cookies and cream ice cream ever made. It's pretty good.